Hi guys, diving into the exhilarating world of Samsung's current flagship lineup, the Galaxy S24 series. Now we all know the standard S24 packs a punch, but what about its big brother, the S24 Plus? It's practically the size of the top-tier S24 Ultra. But are there any noteworthy distinctions between these two powerhouses? Let's unravel the mysteries. The Samsung Galaxy S24 offers an affordable gateway to the S-series flagship experience. However, the S24 Plus introduces a few captivating twists, catering to diverse preferences. Your choice might hinge on factors like hand size. After all, the Plus variant is both taller and sturdier, tipping the scales around 30 grams heavier. Despite these differences, both boast an identical sleek design, flaunting a matte finish back and fortified with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring durability that stands the test of time. Now on to the displays. While both sport silky smooth 120Hz AMOLED screens, the S24 Plus steals the show with its larger, crisper QHD resolution, delivering visuals that pop with a pixel density of 513 ppi. Meanwhile, the vanilla S24 impresses with its vibrant colors and equally slim bezels, promising an immersive viewing experience. When it comes to endurance, the battery capacities tell a tale of their own. The S24 Plus flexes its muscles with a 14900 mAh battery compared to the S24's 4000 mAh counterpart. Yet, in real-world tests, the difference in longevity is minimal, showcasing Samsung's optimization pros. Plus, with 45-watt charging on the Plus model, topping up your device is a breeze, allowing you to get back in the game swiftly. Under the hood, both models boast cutting-edge Exynos chipsets, delivering blazing fast performance whether you're conquering the latest games or multitasking like a pro. And with a generous promise of 7 years of software support, you're guaranteed a future-proof experience. And the cameras, the unsung heroes of modern smartphones. With identical setups on both models, expect nothing short of a stellar performance. From breathtaking landscapes to captivating low-light shots, the Galaxy S24 series paints your world with vivid detail, ensuring every moment is preserved in all its glory. So, which one's for you, the compact and budget-friendly S24 or the beefed-up S24 Plus with its extra bells and whistles? Tell me your idea in the comment and don't forget to subscribe.